Hello everyone. First of all, let me thank you for Ecosystem 2024 in Semarang University for giving me the opportunity to present my research. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Fadila. I'm a master student in Hasanuddin University, Makassar. This time, I will present my research about actor interaction in the expansion of West Sulawesi province. So this research is about the dynamics that occur in the process of expansion of West Sulawesi, which involves many actors in guarding their interests. This desire to separate from South Sulawesi is due to regional disparities factors like development gap, distance, access to public service, and more. After the formation of West Sulawesi province, there was a tough interest between actors that conflict. This division has led to division between regions due to competition for power, like territorial boundary, position, political power, provincial capital, resources, and economic. The conflict started with the rivalry between regions for the provincial capital. The conflict escalated when Mamuju declared that its desire to become the capital of West Sulawesi province was a fixed price. Mamuju supports the division of West Sulawesi province on the conditional that it becomes the provincial capital. If it's not realized, Mamuju will withdraw its support from the plan to form West Sulawesi. This triggered attention from Polmas and Majene, requesting the same position. So the purpose of T research is to find out the dynamics and interaction between the actors in the division of West Sulawesi. This research is qualitative research using descriptive methods. The data and data sources used in this study are primary data from interviews and secondary data from books, magazine, the internet, journal, and documents related to research problems. Result. This research shows that there was competition, disagreement, and talk of interest by local political actors in the process of expansion of West Sulawesi. Competition occurred between each actor from Polmas, Mamasa, and Mamuju districts, and the West Sulawesi expansion factors classified as the Action Committee for the establishment of West Sulawesi province, where the strongest conflict at the time was the placement of the provincial capital, which drew the attention of all stakeholders. The political aspect is one of the strongest factors that encourage conflict between local actors from Polmas, Majene, and Mamuju district, which shows differences in political interests. The conflict has recently intensified with the response of the chairman of the Mamuju, Suhardi Duka, who wants Mamuju to be the capital of the province. The Mamuju Regency government gave support to the movement for the formation of West Sulawesi with the guarantee that Mamuju would be the capital of the province. The above sparked the attention of the Regency, which stated that the area deserves to be the capital with a historical approach, namely during the Dutch colonial period, Mamuju was the center of the mandate of the government. Uh, and then followed by Polowali Mamasa, emphasizing that the area also deserves to be the provincial capital with all the advantage and disadvantage. In order to stem the growing conflict, the Action Committee for the Establishment of West Sulawesi Province held a congress in Majene. The congress was attended by Sulbar expansion factors or the Action Committee for the Establishment of West Sulawesi Province. The Action Committee for the Establishment of West Sulawesi Province is an establishment organization of West Sulawesi that has great authority in deciding a policy. And then Action Committee for the Establishment of West Sulawesi Province formed working groups in each district as an effort to accelerate the formation of the province of West Sulawesi, as Pokja Mamuju, Majene, and Pokja Polmas. The Congress was attended executive, legislative, national figure, society, and student. From the Congress, there is interaction between actors. The first interaction by Action Committee and Pokja Mamuju. Mamuju delegation requests the position of the provincial capital. If the placement of the capital was not in Mamuju, Mamuju didn't join the formation of West Sulawesi. If one of the district is not incorporated, then division of West Sulawesi fails. So with several considerations, Mamuju was determined as the provincial capital. And the second interaction by Action Committee and Pokja Majene and Pokja Polmas. After determination of Mamuju as the provincial capital, this drew protest from Chacho, deputy chairman of Majene Regency People Representative Council. So, for the sake of the division of West Sulawesi, Majene accept the determination of Mamuju as the capital on the conditional that Majene requests a position as the education service center of Sulawesi. And then followed by Polmas, who asked for a position as head of a government or governor. So West Sulawesi fighters were very ambitious in expanding West Sulawesi. Of course, the factors accommodate interest as long as they could be compromised. So, result from Congress is Polmas as an governor, Majene as an education service center, and Mamuju as a provincial capital. And from the Congress, divided into 4 typologies. 1, burgeoning. 2, power strategies. 3, mobilizing. And 4, perception strategies. So the conclusion in this research, the expansion of West Sulawesi province was colored the dynamics from the 3 districts is Polmas, Majene, and Mamuju. There was 2 interaction by Action Committee establishment of West Sulawesi. The first interaction by Action Committee and Pokja Mamuju, and the second interaction by Action Committee and Pokja Polmas and Majene.